Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. You're in Unit 8 Financial Statement Analysis, and we've been discussing about the different financial tools that you have to use to analyze your financial statement, right? Now, in the previous class, I've been talking to you about comparative statements, and I taught you a lot of problems, and I taught you how to use comparative statement to compare both the years' balances. Okay, you compare using your income statement and the balance sheet. Now, in today's class, I'm going to talk to you about the common size statement, and I'm going to help you to solve problems using this tool. Fine. Now, common size statements, they show the relationship between various items with some common base. The common base can be revenue from operations, or it can be the liability, or it can be think total assets. So, depending upon the statement, it can be a common size income statement, or it can be a common size balance sheet. So, it can be a common size income statement, or it can be a common size balance sheet. So it shows the relationship between various items with some common base expressed as percentage of common base. So common bases are, as I told you, total assets or total liabilities or revenue from operations. So in common size statement, revenue from operation is taken as 100. That is going to be the base. And various expenses and incomes are expressed as the percentage to revenue from operations. So in the common balance sheet, the total balance sheet, there's the total assets or liabilities is taken as 100 and various assets and liabilities are expressed as a percentage of total assets and total equity liabilities. So there's no comparison here. Right? Now let us do illustration 6. You'll be able to understand the problem better. Right? Now, from the following particulars of Kumar Limited, prepare a common size statement for the year ending March 2018. They've given you some particulars: revenue from operations, other income, and expenses. So, revenue from operation is 5 lakh, revenue other income is 2 lakh, expenses 3 lakh. So, it's very easy. You add your other income and subtract your expenses, right? Now, let us go to the problem. Now, first, we start with revenue from operations. Your absolute income in rupees, and this is going to be in percentage. So revenue from operations is equal to 5 lakhs. Fine. Your other income plus other income. Your other income is 20,000. So your total is 5 lakh and 20,000. So that's going to be your total revenue. So less expense. Expenses just 3 lakhs. Okay. So you'll be getting a profit after tax. So profit after taxes, sorry, before tax, right? You have not reduced the tax. So profit before tax. So that's going to be 2,20,000. Fine. Okay. So that's it. Now you're going to calculate your percentage of revenue from operations. So revenue from operation is always going to be your base. This is going to be a base. So you assume that it is 100. Fine. Now let us calculate the percentage, okay, of all these items in relation to revenue from operations. First you take your income. Income is what? 20,000 divided by 5 lakhs into 100. So yeah, this is your base. Revenue from operation is your base. So this is your base. Right. So you do this cancellation. 1, 2, 3, 4 is cancelled. 0, 0 cancelled. 5 will go you 2 times. So that gives you 40%. So 40. That is the percentage of other income in relation to revenue from operation. Okay. Your total revenue, no, total revenue is how much? 5 lakh. 20,000 divided by 5 lakhs. So you have to write your working column. Okay, write working column and do all this. It should be in your working notes. 1, 2, 5 lakhs into 100. So guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, it get cancelled. 0 is going to get cancelled here. 5 is going to go in 2 times. So 104. Fine. Okay. So total revenue is 104 percentage to your revenue from operations. Your expenses. Your expense is how much? 3 lakhs divided by the same base revenue from operations in the third one, right? Into 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will go to 20. So 50%. Fine. Now the last one, profit before tax. So what is your profit? 2,20,000 into 100 divided by 5 lakhs. 2. So that comes to 44%. Right. I hope you understood this problem. Right. Now I'll teach you. I'll go to the exercise problem and teach you how to calculate the percentage of different items in relation to revenue from operations. Okay, children, see you in the next class with another problem. Thank you.